Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're all having a great day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings of subscription boxes and product reviews. So if you enjoy that type of content, I would love it if you'd go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It would mean so much to me. And guys, don't forget, go ahead, hit that like button and comment down below. Tell me how your day is. Tell me what you think of the video and the box. I love hearing from you guys. But as you can see, today we have summer 2020 Get Kindness box. It is right here. So I cannot wait to get in here. Y'all, this box is always so amazing. I love that their message, and it's even on the box, is kind you, kind community, kind earth. Like, it's just amazing. And it is $49.99 a season. And it's what to expect is, it says our box is designed around one theme, kindness. What it means to us is kindness towards yourself, towards others, and kindness towards our planet. We carefully select every item with kindness and you in mind. In our boxes, you can expect to find a mix of self-care items, fair trade items, handcrafted items, and environmentally friendly items. So I have unboxed this box quite a few times, and I can definitely say that entire statement is 100% fact. Everything is always amazing, and this box just brings joy to you and you can't help but to spread kindness and happiness after looking in this box and seeing these products. And I love this box so much. I think it's always a great box. So let's go ahead and open it and see what we got. All right, so here there's actually a little note, and it says, "We hope that everyone has a wonderful and safe summer. As a special bonus, we have donated a percentage of each summer box sold to the Nature Conservancy to help keep our oceans and planet clean. We would like to remind everyone to do their part in protecting this beautiful planet that we all call home. A pattern was not needed for the wrap. Please visit our site for this season's wrap tutorial. Wishing you all the kindness." So that is one thing I love. They do not use weight. There's zero waste with this box. They literally package it in something that you can repurpose and usually make like a scarf or a toboggan or something like that. So I think that is wonderful. So it looks like the theme for our summer box is Summer Lovin'. So it does go over all of the items here on the back. So that is exciting. So let's get in here. This is what it looks like. This is the material they used this time. It is gorgeous. We're gonna just get started right here. First of all, this is like sparkly. I don't know if you guys can see the sparkles. I think it's picking it up. This literally has a glass bowl. This is like organic face mask kit. This is awesome. Literally a little glass bowl, a brush. This is fantastic. The sun can be harsh on our skin. Pamper yourself while rehydrating your skin. The kit includes an organic face mask, pre-facial cleansing wipe, application brush, mixing bowl, and mask removal sponge. I love this. Like, I love it. I think this is the cutest thing I have seen. Like, so darn adorable. Okay. I love it. All right, and then the next item. All right, we normally always get something from this brand, and it's Yaya's house. And y'all, I want to go to Yaya's house. The products are always amazing. But let's see. This looks like a travel shoe bag. Oh, and how perfect for summer is this pattern. Like barbecue. But it's drawstring, so you could tie it up. This cute shoe bag is perfect for keeping your shoes separate in your suitcase while traveling. So you can keep your shoes from, if they have something on them, getting it onto your clothes or anything like that. Or, I mean, you don't just have to use this for shoes. I mean, there's a lot of things you could use a drawstring bag like this for. So I love having an item that may be intended for one thing, but you can use it in so many different ways. So I think that is really adorable as well. All right, and then we have something here with eyelashes. Let's see what this is. Oh my gosh. This is adorable, and it's like sparkly. Oh my gosh. This is a makeup remover cloth. Ditch those bulky, wasteful makeup remover cloths. This makeup remover cloth is reusable and perfect for travel. Oh my gosh, so it's like a makeup eraser, but it is like mermaid and sparkly. I love this. Oh, I love this so much. Oh, that is probably going to be my new favorite. All right, let's keep going. Then we have got, wow. We have got a Turkish beach towel. This is amazing. Get ready for some fun in the sun with this lightweight, fast drying towel. We've got you covered. Softens upon washing. So yes, I love Turkish towels. They're soft in my opinion kind of to begin with, but they do get softer when you wash them, and they are super fast drying. So I love Turkish towels. That is amazing. And definitely on point for a summer box. So we have that. Then we have got Mermaid in the Shade, all natural reef safe sunscreen. Oh, and it is SPF 30. It's right here. No one likes a sunburn. Protect your skin with this all natural reef safe sunscreen. That is awesome. I love that. It's sealed, so I'm not going to open it just yet. It's 4 ounces. That's awesome. Okay. Then we have got, we've got a beach hat, sun hat. Help shade your face and shoulders in style with this cute sun hat. Oh my goodness, this is like the cutest thing ever. And it's got the wide brim to definitely shade your face. What do you think? Cute. All right. So that is just adorable. And then we have also got, this box is packed. Now I've got a hat here. This is a reusable straw. It says, don't forget to save those turtles. The straw comes with a convenient travel case, so you will never forget it. I love how it's got like the little clip, so you can clip it on your purse, you can clip it on your keychain, and literally has the straw and even like a little squeegee to clean the straw, which is awesome. So I love that this is in here. I love that it is portable, and because I typically use metal straws or rubber straws, plastic straws. I don't use throwaway straws. Like all the straws I use are reusable. So I love having another one. This says featured artisan bonus gift. It's a pretty blue teal bag. And this is from Forward Floss. I believe we've gotten this from them before as a bonus, and it's awesome. It's like a charcoal floss. Or no, it just says it's color. The color is black, so you can see immediate results. So yay to have some more floss. You can never have too much of that. And then it looks like we have one more item, and it is a tumbler. That is awesome, and it is so pretty. And it's metal. It has the lid that you can adjust. and that's kind of the tight fitting lid, so you don't really have to worry about spills. So this says, make sure to stay hydrated with this sleek, skinny tumbler. So I love the color. Love this. Again, this is something that I would use, and I would use one of my metal straws or something with it. And I love cups like this. So I think this was an amazing box, y'all. Let me know what you think down below. Again, this was the summer 2020 Get Kindness box. I will put a link down below if you would like to check them out. I definitely recommend it. It's just a great way to put a smile on your face, and the products are always so unique and fun and just curated very well. So thank you to Get Kindness for sending this to me. I do greatly appreciate it. I also want to say thank you to my channel members. I appreciate your support more than you know. And even if you're not a channel member, I really appreciate you just being here and watching and supporting my channel, and being a part of our YouTube family. I hope you have a wonderful day, all of you. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.